Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to learn how to develop a text recognition Android application which can recognize and read text data from any handwriting or you can say any other text source. So without wasting much more time, let's start the video here. So for that we will take another new project. So here select empty activities, finish. You can say here text recognition. Okay, just change the package name here to shorter one. Yeah, that's it. Say finish. Fine, we got our main activity. So yeah, first of all you have to install the Google Play services, this tool you have to download and install. I have already did that. So here I will just paste this implementation. Okay, so just change it to implementation, change the version, synchronize now. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's it, all about our setup part. So just change the UI here. Okay, you can say this is relative layout. Fine, just change this text position to center, layout bottom, change the size. Yeah, match parent. Fine, you can say 300 dp or you can say 150 dp. Fine. Yeah, just increase the text size here. Yeah, fine. Here you can say padding is 30 or you can say 50 dp, you can say. Fine. Yeah, that's look nice. So here you have to add a surface view with match parent. Okay, yeah, here you can say height is 100 dp. Fine, just stretch it. Fine, that's it, just set the IDs. Here I will say camera and this is text. Okay, fine. So that's all about our UI. Fine, just go to main activity. Here you can declare. Okay, fine. Here you can declare private surface view. Fine, next one is private text view. Okay, just initialize here equals to find view by id add.id dot camera. Next one is text view. Find view by id add.id dot text. Okay, yeah, here you can take another method. So here just say private void start camera source. Fine, just open the method body here. Inside that you can say final text recognizer. Yeah, text recognizer equals to new text recognizer dot you can say builder. Inside that get application context. Just go outside, say yeah, why error is showing. Okay, has private access in that. Okay, just let me complete this line first. Yeah, just say build here. Yeah, here just delete these brushes. Fine. So here you can say if text recognizer dot is operational, then you can say inside that log.w you can say tag. Here you can say director dependencies not loaded or you can say dependencies not loaded yet. Fine. Yeah, just say else here. Yeah, before that we will take another one, private camera source. You can say camera source. Fine. So here inside else block you can initialize that camera source equals to new camera source dot builder. You can say get application context comma text recognizer. Fine. So outside that dot set facing. Inside this you can say camera source dot camera facing back. Fine. So after that you can say set requested preview size 1280 1024. Fine. Again you can say set autofocusable enable true. Yeah, after that you can say set requested fps dot build. Fine. Yeah, that's it, all about our camera source initialization. Here you can say surface view dot get holder dot add callback. Inside that you can say new surface holder dot callback. Fine, we got our three overridden methods. Inside the first method you can say try. Yeah, if activity compact dot check self permission get application context comma manifest dot permission dot you can say camera. Yeah, not equals to package manager dot permission granted. Fine, if this then you can say activity compact. Yeah, inside that you can say activity compact dot request permission when activity dot this new string array of you can say manifest dot permission.camera. Yeah, after that we will take another constant for permission ID. You can say here private. Yeah, private final, private static final, int. You can say permission equals 200. Okay, yeah, just pass that constant here. Yeah, that's it. You can say return. Fine. Just after this you can say camera source dot start surface view dot get holder. Fine. Yeah, it's showing error because we have not given the permission. Add permission camera, you can say. Yeah, outside this you can say catch IO exception E. Okay, after that you can say e dot print track trace. Fine. Inside the second method, here you can write a comment release resources for camera source, or you can say yeah, camera source. Fine. So inside this last method you can say camera source dot stop. Yeah, fine. Just come outside, you can say here text recognizer dot set processor new director dot processor. Fine. So inside this release method you can write a comment, yeah, detect all text from camera. Fine. Yeah, after that inside this method you can say final sparse array, you can say of text block type, you can name it as items equals to directions dot get detected items. Fine. Yeah, after that you can say if items dot size not equals to 0, then you can say text view dot post, just pass a new runnable here. Yeah, operator run method here inside say string builder equals to new string builder. Yeah, for int I equals to 0, I less than items dot size I plus plus. Fine. Yeah, this is I. So just open the for loop. Here you can say text block item equals to items dot value at I. Yeah, after that you can say string builder dot append item dot get value. Fine. So after that you can say string builder dot append slash n for a space. Yeah, just come out of for loop. Here you can say text view dot set text string builder dot to string, just end with a semicolon here. Yeah, one error is coming. I think I am missing a comma here. Yeah, just end with a comma. Here you can call this method inside onCreate method. Just go to manifest file. Yeah, permission is granted. So yeah, you have to give this camera permission here. So yeah, just delete this hello world text. Fine, you can run the application now. Yeah, just wait. Yeah guys, successfully installed. So you can see our application is recognizing the text from the desktop using camera and printing in the text view. So yeah, I have written some text inside the notepad, so you can see it's recognizing the text and printing. Okay, so here I will change some text here. Okay, so here you can see it's working perfectly guys. So I have written no and it's reflecting on our application. Yeah guys, we have successfully developed a text recognition Android application like Google Lens. So this is all about today's video guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel so that it will motivate me a lot. We will meet in another video soon.